We did this great tour video yesterday of Little Manatee River State Park and didn't go as planned.
We somehow changed the settings on our camera to time lapse.
Hey there, I'm Phil and this is Shar, and we run a nonprofit called A Year to Volunteer. It's an RV friendly group that does projects all over the country, mostly at state parks and nonprofits. We are here at Little Manatee River State Park and we have to show you.
Yeah, this place is absolutely gorgeous. There's something for everyone. It's nationally recognized. It's about 20 miles northeast of Bradenton, and we have to show you this place. It's absolutely a diamond in the rough.
Let's get started! Getting into the park is a piece of cake.
Absolutely. It's about $5 per vehicle or $2 per person if you're on a bicycle, and the camping fees are really reasonable too.
Yeah, they're $22, but then when you add taxes and licensing and registration fees and convenience fees, it's roughly about $37 per site.
Beautiful state park actually sits on the banks of the Little Manatee River.
The Little Manatee River dumps or drains the Blackwater Swamp up at Fort Lonesome and travels 40 miles on a little meandering journey all the way down to Tampa Bay. It's one of Florida's premier Blackwater rivers. Look at that beautiful, peaceful river.
And they even have a state-of-the-art canoe and kayak launch. So you bring your canoes or kayaks and you can put it right here, and you could even pull it out of the river from here too.
And if you don't have a canoe or a kayak, you can rent one just north of the park. Then you can wiggle your way all the way down the river to the other side and they'll even pick you up.
We think one of the very best features of this park is the hiking trails. You can do short loops or long loops or combine them all together. This one here on the Oxbow Trail goes right next to the river in several places. And check out this gorgeous new bridge. It was originally built by the Boy Scouts in 1987, and we just gave it a little pick-me-up.
Another awesome feature is the fact that they have 3 pavilions in the day use area, and they sit right on the river as well. This is one of them that took a little damage from Hurricane Ian, but you can see that we rebraced it and it'll be open for business by the end of today, we think.
And these pavilions can be rented for any type of occasion. You could do parties or weddings or even have a family reunion.
Pavilion 1 is even screened for those times where there may be a few mosquitoes or bugs.
Because it's Florida, you know. And also be sure to bring your weenies and burgers because they also have a barbecue.
They have this wonderful single loop 30 site campground.
Yep, every site has 20, 30, or 50 amp power, water, and there's a dump station nearby, and they can fit campers large and small.
We're parked over at the day use area during our volunteer project, but we avail ourselves of this fantastic bathroom right here. The showers are great, the facilities are awesome, and they even have 2 laundry machines. It's a squeeze to get 2 rigs in here, but it's doable. We did it with our 43-foot Class A towing a trailer, and a 5th wheel came in. So tight, but doable. No potable water right here, but you can get it at your site.
Check out this amphitheater. I can see a concert being played here. It's a little bit in rough shape right now, but don't you worry. The YTV crew is going to get started on that next week.
They're excited. I take a look at this equestrian parking area. It's fantastic.
And if you're looking to stay for a while, they even have 4 hookup sites right next door.
So if you are interested or you're in the area, you have to come to Little Manatee River State Park here, just northeast of Bradenton.
As always, if you like this video, give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.